What got me thinking about this video series is a friend gave me this Acura key, remote head key, and it's a proximity to start the car, and I couldn't figure out how to get the key out. It was really silly. Basically, this is a Honda. It's considered a 4-button remote. You have the 3 major buttons and the panic. So it's a 4-button remote. This is a Prox as well, so you don't need to use the key to start the car. However, to change the battery, you have to pull out the emergency key, and it's just to press this little tab. It's really easy. And then we have to split the case apart. You could put a key in it. I really hate putting the key in, twisting and bending when I don't have to. So you can use a screwdriver. I'll just use my Leatherman here. And you just give a little twist. You don't have to force anything. Just a little twist. Just a little tiny twist opens it up. It says right on there, it could say Panasonic, Duracell, whatever. This is a 2032. I really like using Energizers or Duracells. They just last longer and a better battery, so I don't like... the Panasonics are good, Energizers are good, or Duracell. And basically, it has stamp right on there. Now remember the plus side up. You don't have to use a screwdriver or anything. Just pull it out, put in your replacement. Again, you don't have to force anything. Everything clips together quite nicely. There it's all together. Put your key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. I'll just go over it one more time. So again, these get confusing. That's not what you pry on. Basically, depress, take out your emergency key. Right there, give it a little twist. Bingo. There's our 2 pieces. You don't really need to use a screwdriver to force it out. Just take it out. Try to keep your fingerprints off the new one when you put in. Put the new one in. Just clip them back together again. It's all solid. Put your key in. Bingo. 4-button Honda or Acura proximity key and remote all together. Pretty easy. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.